Morning folks, JD here again with another quick follow-up to yesterday's video when I was discussing my new pressure washer de-ionised water system thing. I haven't really tried it yet, but a couple of people have asked me to, just do a follow-up just to see if it works. So what I thought I'd do, I've got my wife's black Mini here, and I've just given the bonnet hopefully you can see this under the light, just given the bonnet a thorough clean. And I've tried to, there were a few water spots on it from previously, so I've just tried to use some Chemi FSC, which is like a lime scale detail spray, if you like, lime scale remover detail spray. So I've tried to get it as perfect as I can, and what I thought I'd do is I've got the old trigger here, and as you can see, just to follow if anyone didn't see yesterday's video, it's going through the de-ionised water filter, and I'm coming straight off the quick connect T-junction here, if you like. So it's bypassing the pressure washer altogether. So it's just literally coming in, going through the filter system, and then coming straight out here. So what I thought I'd do is I'll just give the bonnet a waft with the old spray, and then I'll check in a few hours time, and we'll see. I'll perhaps do an update in a couple of hours and then an update at the end of the day, because it is November now, so it's pretty cold, so it might not dry properly all day. But let's just see. So I'm just going to give this just a light spray with the de-ionised water. Give that a full saturation. Okay, and as I said, what I'll do, I'll check up on it in a few hours time, and then at the end of the day, and we'll just have a bit of a close inspection and see if we can see any water spots. Okay, so I'll see you in a few hours time. Take care. Well, welcome back folks. We are now 2.5 hours after spraying the bonnet, and as you can see, I don't think it's going to dry today because it looks exactly the same as it did earlier. So we may not get a result, but we shall continue looking in a few more hours. Take care. Okay folks, welcome back. It's now about 8:30 in the evening. This water has been sat on this car now for about 10 hours, and you can see it hasn't done a lot at all. But looking at it, I'm a little bit disappointed, and I think I need to revisit this resin, because you can see this, it started to dry on the wing, and that is very disappointing. Can you see that? Shocking. Now it will wipe off. I can do this with my finger at the same time. It does seem to wipe off quite easily, but that is not acceptable at all. So I shall be having a rethink about this resin, and I shall report back, because I'm not sure I've got it configured properly, because you should get, even with, even if the TDS reading, the total dissolved solids reading, is 5 to 10, which is what I measured the other day, you should be getting pretty much spot-free rinsing. So that is quite disappointing, but I shall not give up, and I'll get it working eventually, and I shall report back again. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time.